They say anything done continuously becomes a habit. Well, जैसे मेरी आदत बन चुकी है हर हफ्ते आपसे मिलना, वैसे ही आई होप आपकी भी आदत बन चुकी है हर सैटरडे की शाम को मेरा इंतजार करना ऑन योर टीवी सेट्स. A very huge welcome to all our viewers out there on your favorite Z Connect Season 6 with your favorite host Priya. तो आज हम एक बार फिर से हैं एट द ब्यूटीफुल एल्स क्लब दुबई, जहां से मैं लेकर आ रही हूं आपके लिए सारे लेटेस्ट इवेंट्स की खबर. तो शुरू करते हैं आज का एपिसोड विद आवर मैंडेटरी क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे. तो टुडेज क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे इज रिलेटेड टू वुमेन. आपको मुझे बताना है which was the first Middle Eastern woman to have won the Nobel Prize and when. Well, औरतों की बात मैंने इसलिए छेड़ी है क्योंकि our first update of the week is about honoring women in various fields. Well, I'm talking about the 7th Great Women Awards जो recently हुए दुबई में, and well, fashion shows और performances और women को awards देने के अलावा this event saw a lot of stars such as Lindsay Lohan, Alia Bhatt, Farah Khan, Vani Kapoor and many more. So go and check out a few glimpses from the event. Thank you so much, Anu, for joining us on Z Connect.
You're welcome, Priya.
So we're really looking forward to the 7th Great Women Awards this year. Tell us, how is it going to be different this year?
See, different in the sense is like we've been doing Women Awards in India for 15 years, 7th year in the Middle East. And the fact that we have women cross countries, it's not just restricted to one country, nor is it restricted to one genre. The women cross genres, cross nations, cross countries who are the recipients of this award. I think that in itself makes a very big difference.
But we are also expecting to see a whole lot of celebrities this year. There's a very long list. What can we expect?
What we've done is it's not a very, every year we've had it a very typical Bollywood setup. This year we've gone more international, like I'm saying. It's soon going to be the Women Awards International. Not India, not Middle East, international. So we got performers, we got a French Arabic singer, we got a Chinese performer, we got a Moroccan designer, we've got Indian designers, we got singers. So it's like a mix of the lot, and that is what we're going to see.
Thank you, Rukaiya, for joining us on Z Connect. You're at the 7th Women Awards that's happening in the UAE, and you are yourself winning an award today. Tell us how you feel.
Alhamdulillah, I'm feeling very, very, very better and very happy. Yeah, so much happy due to this getting this award internationally.
Tell us a bit of the background of this award that you're getting. I mean, what sort of work has gone into getting this?
एक्चुअली आवर कंपनी जो है, हमारी कंपनी जो है 1949 में इस्टेब्लिश हुई, और उसके बाद जो है स्लोली हमारे मींस फुल फैमिली और आहिस्ता आहिस्ता करके हम लोगों ने इस बिज़नेस को ज्वाइन किया. एंड एक्चुअल हमारा जो था वो हमें ये था कि हम जो है नेचुरल चीज़ों को इंट्रोड्यूस कराएं. सो हम लोग जो है हमारी हर प्रोडक्ट्स जो है ऑलमोस्ट नेचुरल है, और इवन oils, teas, everything. We want to introduce our natural things all over the world.
Amazing, superb. So we wish you all the best. May you keep winning such awards more and more every year. Thank you so much for talking to us. Thank you so much, Gulshan, for joining us here on Z Connect. You're on Z Connect, by the way.
Thank you. Hi.
Right. How does it feel to be back in Dubai and for the 7th Great Women Awards?
It's a very special night tonight because one has been hearing for centuries that women in this part of the world don't really come forward and don't really be the leaders or participate in the change. But looking at the list of achievers that are going to be honored tonight, I think it is one of the very, very special night because I respect and salute women, and I'm here to salute the women achievers of UAE, Dubai, Middle East.
Thank you so much, Gulshan. But About the 7th Grade Women Awards happening in Dubai.
Yeah, I am very excited to be in Dubai for the Great Awards. I have received awards in Mumbai from Great, and it's a brand in itself. And I'm happy because they always choose women of credibility and substance. So it feels good that they've chosen me this year.
Definitely, you had to be chosen. You come from a family. In fact, there have been so many achievers. Your aunt, Daisy Rani, Honey Rani, सब इतने achievers रहे हैं family में.
Yes, even though she wasn't an actress.
But I mean, of course, you admire them. But is there any other woman that you really, really admire?
Yeah,
Other walks of life.
of course, I mean, there are loads of them. I admire my best friend, Sania Mirza. I think she's a gritty woman. She's tough and yet she's soft. She's emotional, but when you see her on the playing tennis, she's a tigress. She's well spoken, she's beautiful, and she's very
और फराह खान ने एक बड़ी अच्छी बात कही है इस इवेंट पर. Well, she said that we usually keep saying that we are women in a man's world. Well, that's not true. In fact, it's the other way around. You are all men in a woman's world. Thank you so much, Anjali and Arjun, for joining us here on Z Connect.
It's great to be a part of this event, and it's great to be meeting everybody and connecting with everyone. We are not new to Dubai, and we've had a store here for 8 years, and I'm relaunching myself back. And I thought there was a fabulous platform to do so.
Tell us about some of the outfits that you've designed for this event.
So the look that I've designed for this particular event is very red carpet. It's what I would see all my celeb hotties, wear for the red carpet. And I hope you like the show because, I love what I did for this particular collection. It's from my theme, Persian Flora.
Thank you so much for joining us here. Thank you. And you're here yet again for the 7th Great Women Awards. How do you feel?
It's the 7th Great Women's Awards, my second time here. I was here the year before last, and it's always so lovely to be here because it's so close to home. Anu Ranjan, who is Anu Auntie for me, has put together such a lovely a cause and such a lovely thought of getting the women achievers in one room together. And what I love is it's people from different walks of life. It's not just entertainment, and you get to hear such brave, beautiful stories of people. So I'm really excited, looking forward to the evening, and can't wait.
Thank you. Alia, you are a great woman yourself. You've done so many various movies, so many different kinds of movies. If you had to, if you were not an actor, which kind of woman would you rather be?
I don't think I can imagine myself as anything but an actor. So that is what I've been born to do, and that is what I'm doing, and that is what I will do till my last breaths.
Filhal, it's time for our next update of the week, and this is for all the shopaholics and all the fashionistas out there. On Vogue by AAJK came back to Dubai to woo designer wear lovers with its hot and sizzling summer edition of 2017. Well, this happened at the Roda Al Muruj, Dubai, and well, if you missed being there, come with me to check out some of the latest collection this season.
Hi, this is Asta Narang, and this is the first time I'm here in On Vogue Dubai, and I'm just loving it. I've done this exhibition before in Bombay, but the response in Dubai is really nice and fresh. People really want to try new things, and they're very experimental. So I'm really glad I've explored this market, and I would really want to do it again and again for coming years.
Hi, I'm Nisha from Isharia. Very pleased to be here at En Vogue and enjoying all the love from Dubai. It's a wonderful show, well curated, and we've had a wonderful response. Thank you so much for having us.
We'd like to say thank you from both of us.
A big thank you.
A big thank you to all our designers, shoppers, and our loyal supporters who have time and again come and supported us and make this an event a rocking success. Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, this was the latest summer collection at On Vogue this year. Well, time now for a छोटा सा break, but हमारे पास अभी भी कुछ है आपको दिखाने के लिए इस एपिसोड पर. So don't go anywhere. We'll be back very soon. Welcome back. Well, अगर आप दुबई में रहते हैं और सोच रहे हैं अपनी प्रॉपर्टी खरीदने के बारे में and you are weighing different options, then I've got just the right thing for you. Well, I'm talking about the Shobha Heartland project that is part of Shobha Group and has got a variety of villa options for you to choose from. तो मैं आपको लेके चलने वाली हूँ एक ऐसे ही विला के अंदर और आपको मिलवाऊंगी with the Sales and Marketing Managing Director of Shobha Group, who's going to tell you about the different options that you can choose from. We are with Mr. Sanjay Sachdev, Managing Director, Sales and Marketing of Shobha Group, and we are sitting in one of the many beautiful villas under the Shobha Heartland project. So we welcome you to Z Connect Season 6.
Thank you for having me.
Firstly, tell us a little about the stunning project Shobha Heartland.
Well, any project is about location, location, location. And this is a very unique project because it's in the heart of town. So location is key. The second thing, we are on the Dubai Canal, which is going to be extended from where we are at this point of time. So if you look at the community here, you've got everything under one roof, or in one, what I call a boutique community. We have a lot of beautiful villas, the one that we're sitting in, which are 4 and 5 bedroom villas. It's huge, it's about 9,000, 10,000 feet each. Each comes with 4 bedrooms, 5 bedrooms, with a private elevator, which you will see soon. Also a lot of greenery. One of the unique things about this development is that 30% of the 8 million is greenery. And by greenery, I don't mean just grass. I mean a virtual forest. So it's going to be a forest in the middle of the city.
So tell me, what are the different options that buyers have available in these villas?
Luckily, we have a full spectrum of choices. So you can get a studio. So all the way from a studio to a 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom, 4 bedroom duplexes, penthouses, and then it jumps to a townhouse. Our townhouse is also very unique. Each of our townhouse is pretty private in the sense that they're in clusters of 4 and 5, not the typical townhouses that you see, which are huge, massive. So each is a cluster of 4 and 5. Each has like 2 car parks, a bit of a garden space, and it's on 3 levels, so ground plus 1 plus 2. So you have 4 bedrooms and a private elevator. So it's again a very different product that you will not find in Dubai. So you have a townhouse and then you jump into the 4 bedroom villas, the 5 bedroom villas, and then we have a unique product, the 6 bedroom villas on the promenade of the water canal. If you want to build your own villa, for example, we also offer plots.
Oh, okay.
So on the water canal, you can build your mansion in your own style, as long as it meets the regulations that we set out, but in your own style.
Either choose one of the ready-made ones, or they can just customize, build their own
Absolutely.
sort of mansion, as you said.
Correct.
Right. So as you were saying, that this is a community of its own in the heart of the city, and there's a forest, there's so much greenery around. So what else does the community have to offer?
What would you like in a community? We have practically everything. We've got 2 schools. One is already functioning with 300 students already studying. So you can literally walk from your villa or townhouse to school. That'll be great for parents.
I think that's one of the key things that parents look out for.
Imagine no school bus.
Yeah.
So, and the other school is opening in September. So 2 good schools and both international schools. Then you have a cricket field. We'll have a cricket pitch. We have our own club, a beautiful club, not the community club, but a club which we could perhaps have members from outside. Okay. Then we have, of course, the mall. We have tennis courts, a lot of swimming pools, though the villas come with their own pool, but you have community pools. You have a lot of retail, a lot of shopping, a mosque, nurseries. So, I mean, basically everything that you could think of.
Pretty much everything is available.
Yeah,
so, of course, if there's a mall, I'm sure there'll be cinemas also. So people don't really need to step out of their...
Absolutely, you got it absolutely right. You enter the gates and you're covered.
So, needless to say that because of Shobha Group, Dubai, of course, is the best place for people to invest in real estate. But apart from that, you know, why do you think Dubai is a good place for real estate investors?
See, Dubai is a unique city. It's a unique place, and I think for the next 15-20 years, I can't see another city anywhere coming close to Dubai in this part of the world. So Dubai is unique. It's cosmopolitan. It's safe. It's tax-free. It gives you so many benefits, and I think that's why you and I also live here.
And what sets Shobha Group? What sets it apart from the competition here?
Well, there are 2-3 things. First of all, we are in a unique place within Dubai. The other thing about Shobha is that we are the only company developer in the entire world. And I say this again, it's the entire world where we do everything ourselves. We do not subcontract. So we develop the land, we build, we construct. Everything that you've seen here, glass, wood, aluminium, tiling, is all done by our own people. And as people say in life, if you want anything done the best way, do it yourself.
Perfect. So we've gotten to know so much about Shobha Group and Shobha Heartland, and now we are going on to see the villa. As you said, as you've described it, I can't wait to see all of it now. So thank you so much, Mr. Sanjay, for joining us. It was lovely
Thank you. Thank you very much for having me, and I'm sure you'll enjoy our little visit out here.
Thank you.
Don't forget to see the forest. Thank you.
Definitely.
Bye-bye.
It's on my mind. कहते हैं do what you have to do until you can do what you want to do. इसीलिए मैं कह रही हूँ, मैंने तो डिसाइड कर लिया मुझे कौन सा विला लेना है, आप भी कर लीजिए before it's all gone. Well, time now for me to say bye bye, but जाने से पहले आज के question of the day का आंसर. Well, मैंने पूछा था who was the first Middle Eastern woman to have won the Nobel Prize? Well, the answer is Yemeni politician, journalist and human rights activist Tawakkul Karman, who won the Nobel Peace Prize in 2011. और अपनी शिकायतें, अपनी तारीफ़ें और अपना ऑनेस्ट फीडबैक प्लीज़ जारी रखिए हमारे फेसबुक पेज पर या हमारे ट्विटर हैंडल पर, एंड आई प्रॉमिस टू ब्रिंग यू बैक अ बेटर एपिसोड वीक आफ्टर वीक. Well, this is me, Priya, saying take care and wait to see me next week on Z Connect Season 6.